How to fix a frozen HP laptop screen. So if your laptop is completely frozen, if you can't use your mouse or you can't type on the keyboard, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to go and fix this issue. So the first thing you want to do is try pressing the following keys on your keyboard. We're going to press the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and also the letter B all at the same time. Now when you press these buttons, it will refresh the graphics driver and you may see your screen flash black, and sometimes that can go and unfreeze the screen. Now if it's not working, we'll just need to power cycle the device. So what you can do is come over to the power button on your laptop and you'll need to hold this down for 45 seconds. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold the button down. Make sure to wait a full 45 seconds. So even when the screen goes black, continue to hold the button down. After 45 seconds have passed, you can then release this button, try turning on your laptop, and that will have now solved the frozen screen on your HP laptop.